Okay guys, Lego Series here. We're gonna build the rest of this today. The cockpit, basically. I make special cockpits for all my stuff. It's basically the same cockpit for everything you've seen in my previous ones. They all have the same cockpit. It all has the fold down, the fold down pads and everything. Try to get comfortable. My back is killing me. Okay, so we're gonna make this. Before we do that, we're going to take the piece you made from last time. We're going to take actually you can't really do this yet until you make the other pieces. Sorry, never mind. Put it back. My dog is freaking yelling at me. My sister. Make the cup cover. Get a bendy piece that bends forward and the splash shield and put it right on top. Next. Yeah, we're gonna make that. What am I doing? Okay, so what we're gonna need now is a 4 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 by 8. We're gonna need 2 1 by 4s and put them on each end of it like that. You're gonna take another 2 by 3 upside down ramps and put them behind that. So right here and right here. And they're gonna take the 1 by 2 by 2 and fill in the space. Yeah. Okay. Okay, guys. I know I'm taking a little long. I just don't want to, break my creation, and then, it getting, cracked up. I almost said words. I got comments about me not saying that. People, their parents see it and they get offended by it, so I won't say it. But you know what I mean, like effed up. Just give me another second. I just want to make sure I'm doing this right. What the heck? What's going wrong? Okay, that's better. Okay. Yeah, I got it. Sorry, guys. Try to keep that in my head. Okay, so we're sorry, my paused a little bit because my computer turned off. You're gonna get a 2 by 4 and a 1 by 2. I'm put it on top of that. And then you're gonna get a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. A 6 by 14. And put it on the end of that. Don't worry about any of this. I'll show you how to make it after I'm done, because I don't want to mess it up. And then get 2 1 by 3s and put on either end of that. So right here and right here. Next, take a 1 by 2 and put it right over here. Next, take another 1 by 2 and put it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ways away from that one. So right there. Next, you're gonna get a bendy piece, and you're gonna get a grid. Put it all the way in the back of the bendy piece. Make sure it bends this way this time. And a control board. Put your guy in, and put this on his lap, facing like that. And you're gonna put those arms up, and get a 1x4, and put right here. I'm sorry, wait. Okay, yep. Then you're... Never mind, guys. Leave those there. Supposed to go there. Actually, no, I'll move them right here. Just like that. I'm just gonna take one of these corner pieces, the weird ones. I'm gonna put them right here. Right here. So like that. Okay, so don't worry about this. We're gonna make this right now. Okay, so what we're gonna do... You're going to take a 1x2, and you're going to put it 3 studs with your center. So there's 1, 2, and 3 ones on it. Next, you're going to take 2x2 upside down ramps, and put them kind of on that, like right here. Actually, sorry. I keep messing up. Sorry, guys. It's the other way. It's like right there, and right there. Okay. Next, you're gonna take another 2x2 upside down ramp, and you're gonna put either a 1x2 on it, or a stud and a square piece, or a stud and a stud, or 2 square pieces. Doesn't matter, like that. And do the same thing to your side. So get the ramp, the stud, and put the piece. So yeah, that. Okay. Then I'm gonna put one right here and one right here. Easy. Next, you're gonna take the wheel part. Well, I show you make this. Get a wheel and get a 2x3 and put it on. And put it on right there. So that one stud sticking, one thing's row of studs sticking out. Okay. Next, we're gonna take the piece you made before this piece and put it on the back of those right there. Then you're gonna take the front piece you made and you're gonna put it right over everything. Okay, good. Look at that. You're gonna take these pieces you made before, and you're gonna put them over here, and on the other side. So it looks like this. Then take your windshield and put it down and over your guide. There you go, like that. Then we're gonna take this black piece and put it where there's extra space. It's right there. Next, we're gonna take this piece that you made and put it right underneath here. Actually, here's the tricky part. When we're making this, you're gonna need to take this piece back out to slip this thing in. So I'll remind you guys later. Actually, you know what? just take it out now, because I'm not going to remember to tell you guys. Just take it out now. Please, I don't want to have to remind you guys. So remember, it's this piece. And then this thing would go on there, but you can't put it on right now. To the last one. So that's it for this video, guys. I'll make another one, and hopefully we'll be done. So see you next video. See ya.